Have you ever wondered why every skincare lover in Japan swear by this little white bottle? This Hada Labo Gokujyun lotion looked super simple. There's no fancy packaging, no perfume, and no hype. And yes, it's one of the most sold skincare products in Japan. Literally one sold bottle every second. Today, we're diving deep into why this is so popular and what makes this different. And also the secret upgraded version, which is called the Gokujyun Premium, which might even be better. If you love the glass skin, bouncy, hydrated look, then stay tuned because I'll share which version I personally recommend and where you can get it. I have placed my link on the description below. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, where we talk about beauty, skincare and all the products that actually works. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and leave me a comment if you tried any Japanese product before. Alright, let's get into the legend, the Hada Labo Gokujyun. So the brand Hada Labo comes from Japan and the name literally means skin lab. They focus on minimalist formulas, no fragrance, no alcohol, no unnecessary fillers. And the Gokujyun line, especially the lotion, is like their signature. Fun facts, when Japanese brands say lotion, it's not a moisturizer. It's more like a hydrating toner or essence. So you pat it in right after cleansing, before serum or cream. It's meant to make your skin drink water, like giving it a long sip after a desert day. Okay, so what makes Gokujyun so addictive? It's hyaluronic acid, but not just one kind. The original Gokujyun has 3 types of hyaluronic acid molecules, small, medium, and large, each penetrating at different skin layers. That's why after just a few pats on your skin feels plump, smooth, and a little tacky in a good way. It literally locks in moisture and gives that bouncy Japanese mochi skin look. And because it's so gentle, it works on dry, oily, sensitive, basically all skin type. It's like universal peacekeeper of skincare. And here's how to use it right. And this is where most people mess up. After cleansing, keep your face slightly damp. Don't towel dry completely. Pour a few drops of Gokujyun into your palms, not on cotton pads. Gently pat it into your skin. Press, don't rub. If your skin's extra dry, do it twice. Then lock it in with your serum or moisturizer. And that's it. Simple but so effective. Now let's talk about why this product went viral worldwide. So, affordability. So you get this big 170 ml bottle and it lasts forever. So simplicity. So there's no fragrance, there's no marketing, and it's just hydration that works. Result. So people notice softer and glowier skin within days. Layering power. So basically you can layer this multiple times without clogging up your pores. Even dermatologists in Japan recommend this because it supports the skin barrier. and help product absorb better. So if you're struggling with dullness, flakiness, and tightness, the Gokujyun is the hydration reset button that you'll be missing. Now, there's a part that most people don't know. There's a Gokujyun Premium version. So the bottle looks gold instead of white, and the formula is richer. It has 5 to 7 different types of hyaluronic acid, depending on which country version you get. So this version is a lot thicker, so it's perfect for those with dry or mature skin, or anyone who live in areas that it's much cooler and often use retinol or exfoliant. So think of the regular version like something very hydrating and refreshing, and the premium version is more like a moisturizer but in liquid form. But if you're feeling dry or have mature skin and love that rich glass skin feeling, then definitely the premium is worth the upgrade. I personally use both, so I use the white bottle in the morning and the premium at night. And both are available on Amazon, and I have placed my link on the description below. And that's the secret behind why everyone from skincare beginners to Japanese beauty pro love the Hada Labo Gokujyun. It's not fancy, but it's consistent. It's not trendy, but it's timeless. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest beauty review. And tell me in the comment below whether you have tried the premium version or you prefer the classic white bottle. And once again, thank you all for watching, and I see you in the next one.